What's up everybody, it's Wealth, Wisdom and World Events channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of tiny homes, with a twist. Forget van conversions, we're talking ex-military army trucks transformed into epic mobile tiny homes. Ever looked at a military truck and thought, that could be my dream home? Well, get ready. We're showcasing 5 rugged arm trucks turned into jaw-dropping tiny homes on wheels. Let's get started. Maybe off-roading isn't your thing? Maybe you love the idea of adventure, but you also crave the energy and convenience of city life. Not everyone dreams of endless mud trails or remote mountain passes. Sometimes the best adventures start right in the heart of the city. For those who want to blend urban living with the freedom to roam, there's a perfect solution. Imagine weaving through bustling city streets, skyscrapers on one side and the open road calling from the other. Maybe you want adventure with a side of city life, a way to experience the best of both worlds without compromise. The Steyr 12 M18 is designed for exactly that kind of explorer. Enter the Steyr 12 M18, an Austrian truck that's as comfortable in the city as it is in the wild. Its compact size means you can slip into parking spots that would make other expedition trucks jealous, yet it still turns heads wherever it goes. Whether you're parked beside modern architecture or rolling through historic neighborhoods, the Steyr fits right in. It's smaller than the Mancat one, but don't be fooled, it's still a capable off-roader. The Steyr 12 M18 was originally built for military use, so it's tough, reliable, and ready for anything. When the city fades behind you and the pavement ends, this truck is more than prepared to tackle rough trails, muddy tracks, and forest paths. Step inside, and you'll find a world of Scandinavian minimalism. Clean lines, natural wood accents, and clever storage solutions that make the most of every inch. There's even a dedicated spot for your espresso machine so you can start your mornings with a perfect cup, no matter where you wake up. It's a space designed for both relaxation and inspiration. This truck proves you can have comfort and style on the road. Plush seating, warm lighting, and thoughtful details create a cozy retreat after a day of exploring. Whether you're working remotely, reading a book, or just enjoying the view, the Steyr's interior feels like home. Explore vibrant cities, escape to sun-drenched beaches, or just park in your friend's driveway and make them jealous of your rolling tiny home. The Steyr 12 M18 gives you the freedom to choose your backdrop, urban, coastal, or suburban, without ever sacrificing comfort or convenience. The Steyr's versatility is its superpower, small enough for city traffic, tough enough for adventure. It handles tight corners and busy intersections with ease, but when you're ready to leave the city behind, it transforms into a rugged off-road machine. No matter where you go, you're always prepared. It's the Swiss Army knife of tiny homes. Every feature is designed to be multi-purpose, from fold-out tables to hidden storage compartments. You can cook, work, relax, and sleep, all in a space that adapts to your needs. Perfect for anyone who wants urban living without sacrificing adventure. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend explorer, or someone who just loves the idea of a home that moves with you, the Steyr 12 M18 is your ticket to freedom. It's a tiny home, a mobile office, and an adventure vehicle all rolled into one. Set up your workspace with a city view one day, then wake up to a mountain sunrise the next. The possibilities are endless, but what if you need space for the whole family? Our next truck has you covered. Get ready to meet the ultimate home on wheels. First up, meet the Mancat one, a truck built to haul missiles and troops through the harshest terrain. Someone saw this beast and thought, let's make it a home. And they did. It's now a self-sufficient, off-grid paradise. Solar panels, a full kitchen, a wet bath, and a queen-size bed. This truck has it all. The real magic? Its go-anywhere capability. Massive ground clearance and 4x4 drive mean it laughs at mud, sand, and even mountains. Want to disappear into the desert for a month? No problem. Sure, it's pricey, but you're not just buying a house. You're buying freedom. No rent, no neighbors, just you and the open road. If you dream of living on your own terms, the Mancat 1 is the ultimate adventure mobile. Just be ready for a little maintenance and a lot of adventure. Next up, let's take a look at the Mercedes-Benz 1017A, a legendary military workhorse that's been brilliantly transformed into a family-friendly bunker on wheels. This isn't just any expedition vehicle, it's a rolling fortress designed for families who crave adventure, comfort, and security, all in one unstoppable package. The sheer size of this truck is impressive. Step inside and you'll find real private bedrooms. No cramped bunks here. There's a full kitchen equipped with modern appliances so you can cook up a feast wherever you park. The dining area is spacious enough for the whole family to gather, share meals, and even play games on rainy days. Honestly, it puts some city apartments to shame with its clever use of space and homey feel. Family features? Absolutely. There's a fold-out dining table that makes family dinners easy, a composting toilet for eco-friendly convenience, and a high-tech water filtration system that ensures you have fresh, clean water no matter where your journey takes you. It's all about making life on the road as comfortable and practical as possible for everyone. Safety is a top priority too. The 1017A is built tough with reinforced metal walls and armored details that give you peace of mind, whether you're parked in the wild or navigating rough terrain. It's a true fortress on wheels, ready for anything. And when it comes to versatility, this truck shines. Whether you're exploring remote national parks, camping off-grid, or just getting the kids to soccer practice in style, the 1017A handles it all with ease. Its all-terrain capabilities mean you're never limited by the road ahead. The best part? You don't have to give up adventure just because you have a family. In fact, this truck makes it easier than ever to introduce your kids to the wonders of the outdoors, from hiking and exploring to simply playing in nature right outside your door. Imagine waking up to epic mountain views, sharing breakfast with your loved ones as the sun rises, and making memories together in places most people only dream of visiting. With the 1017A, every day is a new adventure, and your home goes wherever you do. The Mercedes-Benz 1017A proves that family life and adventure can go hand in hand. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a home, and a ticket to unforgettable experiences all rolled into one. But what if you're dreaming of life on the road, but need to stick to a budget? Don't worry, the world of DIY truck conversions has something for everyone, and our next truck is all about making those dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Meet the ultimate budget build, proof that adventure is possible for every family no matter your budget. Think these trucks are out of reach? Think again. While expedition trucks often conjure images of six-figure price tags and professional builders, there's a whole world of affordable, hands-on adventure vehicles waiting for those willing to roll up their sleeves. The DAFF T244 is a perfect example, a blank canvas for dreamers, tinkerers, and anyone who believes that adventure should be accessible to all. The DAFF T244 is for the DIYers and budget adventurers. Originally designed as a rugged military transport, it's built to handle the toughest terrain, making it an ideal foundation for an overland home on wheels. But what truly sets it apart is its affordability and the endless possibilities it offers for customization. This truck started as a humble military transport and became a home thanks to a couple with zero building experience. They saw potential where others saw a challenge, and decided to transform this utilitarian beast into a cozy, functional living space, proving that you don't need a background in construction to create something extraordinary. Armed with YouTube tutorials and determination, they learned everything: carpentry, wiring, welding, and solar. Every step was a lesson, from framing walls to running electrical systems, and even troubleshooting unexpected problems along the way. Their journey was filled with late nights, trial and error, and a growing sense of accomplishment as their vision slowly took shape. After 2 years of hard work, their DAFF T244 became a fully off-grid tiny home. It's not just a vehicle, it's a testament to what's possible when you commit to a dream and see it through, no matter how daunting it may seem at first. Solar power, insulation, a wood-burning stove, every detail was chosen for comfort and sustainability. The couple designed their home to thrive in all seasons, with thick insulation for winter nights and solar panels to keep them powered far from civilization. And even a rooftop deck. This truck has it all. Imagine sipping coffee above the treetops or watching the sunset from your own private perch wherever the road takes you. The real story is the journey. Proof you don't need a trust fund to live your dream. Every challenge they faced became a memory, every mistake a lesson, and every mile traveled a reward for their perseverance. Their adventure is a reminder that the road to freedom is built one bolt, one board, and one brave decision at a time. All it takes is grit, patience, and a willingness to get your hands dirty. The process isn't always glamorous, but the sense of pride and independence is worth every scraped knuckle and sleepless night. And a willingness to learn. With resources like online forums, video tutorials, and a supportive DIY community, anyone can pick up the skills needed to build their own adventure rig. If you're inspired, maybe your own DIY adventure is next. The world of overland travel is more accessible than ever, and your journey could start with a single step or a single wrench. But if you want luxury, our final truck will blow your mind. For those who crave the ultimate in comfort and style, there's a whole other level of tiny home living to discover. Let's check out the ultimate in tiny home opulence, where adventure meets absolute luxury. Ready for pure luxury? Meet the UNIMOGU 1300L, a truck that's all about style, comfort, and capability. This isn't just a home, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. Step inside to find hand-stitched leather, custom cabinetry, and high-end finishes everywhere. Gourmet kitchen, spa bathroom, and a bedroom bigger than most city apartments. Tech lovers rejoice. State-of-the-art entertainment, satellite internet, and a fold-out patio. And yes, it still conquers off-road terrain with ease. Sip champagne on your private patio, then hit the trails when adventure calls. The UNIMOGU 1300L proves you can have it all. Luxury, style, and unstoppable capability. Now let's wrap it up. There you have it. 5 incredible arm truck conversions, each with its own flavor of adventure, style, and freedom. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more epic builds. Until next time, keep dreaming big and rolling wild.